Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here at Bitcoin, seeing what's going on. We're just going to help understand best practice, big picture, and just generally get to the nitty gritty here. We're going to jump right into the back end data. So strap on in. All right, folks, we're going to look at some liquidation levels here. I talked about this yesterday and just highlighted the fact that Bitcoin is more likely to retest that 40,500 mark based on liquidation there. But we have a heavier concentration here now at about 43,500. Now, again, that level previously it was already there, so half of it got swept and the other half is some fairly newer shorts that are entering the market. Okay, so again, heavy shorts at 43,600 and the 43.5 mark got wiped, but we have a heavy concentration at 40,500. Again, Bitcoin decided to just rally yesterday for unknown reasons and kind of sort of back on track, but we're going to talk about why I still feel the price might pull back. We're kind of off to a weak start here so far today. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. And obviously you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is the site. So let's take a quick look here at the 4-hour time frame. We're not going to bother with the daily because nothing's changed there, right? We still have the same situation as yesterday for the daily because we cover this again after the candlestick closed. But to quickly summarize, we're above all moving averages and we can see that we're still over 50 on the RSI and the money flow index is coming down. We do have our second stochastic convergence, of course, just to clarify. So those are mostly positive contributing factors, but we're diverging on the MACD. So if you will, the daily time frame is not perfect, okay? But it's still showing we have strength in the market and we're still ascending positively with the trends, and those are our friend, right? So I'm not saying the sky's gonna fall if we hit 40,300 or 40,500. I'm just saying that if that is the case, we might wanna expect somewhere in the 38 to 40,000 range. I would welcome it because I have a lot of limit orders between 38 and 40,000, even a few egregious ones below that. Again, I might recommend the same thing for you with your spot bag just to be on the safe side, but at this point, we don't have any cause for concern. Let's talk about the 4-hour time frame though. We are overextended, of course. MACD and stochastic RSI are starting to swing down. We haven't officially diverged yet on the MACD, of course, so don't think that it's going to just drop. But this is letting us know that we've lost our momentum to the upside. That was a pretty strong 12-hour period there. What do you know? 3 green candles followed by a 4th red one. Okay, it happens all the time. We're just going to see 3s occur in trading often. We did break through 50 on the RSI, and even though it's pulling back, we're still over 50, so that's a positive contributing factor. If we take a look at the moving averages, we're above all 4. Okay, so also good signs. Okay, so ultimately, this does give you more confidence knowing that a long position is still potentially a better fit than a short position, right? Even though I still feel like the price they're gonna do a little rug pull on us here soon, I still think that this is a pretty accurate description of the fact that we're on the right side of tracks. We broke this descending trend. We're above the moving averages, looking still pretty good. In all reality, that's exactly what's going on. So the 4-hour time frame is not terrible. Okay, let's take a look quickly at the hourly and just kind of clarify. We are looking good here as well. And now this window of opportunity could be closing. Let's talk about that. What I mean by that is lagging spans. Not free and clear, well, sorry, it is free and clear of the price action, but within about 6 to 12 hours, it should be intersecting, which is kind of a sign for potentially selling your long position. It is not, I like to emphasize this, not a sell signal, it's simply a buy signal closure, right? So consider trimming your position if you have a long one open. That's basically what it's telling us. Conversion lines above the baseline, still a lot of strength there, and we're over the cloud. So if we are to draw these Fibonacci levels out a little bit further, the more recent ones here, let's go ahead and pull this out here. We can kind of see that the price action is going to stay within this range here. So this level here at about 0.5, 42,400 is a potential support level for us, okay? And the reason why I say that is because obviously it's been a previous resistance, should turn into a support, but also the cloud is kind of consolidating there. So we're looking for a closure at 42,400 or higher today to be able to confirm this uptrend. A lot of reasons why I feel that is because if we get a bounce right here, for example, that would establish a higher low and it would be higher than the previous high, and that's a perfect situation for us. Okay, so that's ultimately what we're looking for. So to have momentum to the upside, we need to close above 42.5, 42.4, right in that range, sometime today. Doesn't have to be right now, doesn't have to be later, but sometime in the 24-hour candle, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so again, all good things here for the most part for Bitcoin. I still personally feel like this is somewhat of a fake out, but what do I know? Anyways, I'll go ahead and post out some playout charts on the Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. So if you're curious about that, take a look. Obviously, I provide that for you. We do have new results here as well for the month. Month to date so far, 2,600%. Nice profit there for my community though. Awesome stuff. We'll have more profitable months, of course. Not all of them will be this phenomenal just because we took some fantastic long trades before everything kind of took off, and we're still looking at some really good stuff. So that said, I'm super happy that it's working out well for you. Thanks for the wonderful feedback. If you're not part of Bitunix, definitely check out this exchange. Link down below. Phenomenal exchange, no KYC, no VPN, nice benefits, and if you register with my link. I hope you all have a great rest of your day though. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon. Take care.